If you're nervous about your first Brazilian wax, you're not alone. Most people feel exactly the same way. Most people spend days worrying about it, only to later realize it wasn't as bad as they imagined. But there are a few things almost nobody tells first-time clients, and they really change the experience. Knowing these things beforehand can make the entire experience feel much more comfortable and easy. Today, I'm sharing the 7 things professionals wish every first-time client understood. And number 6 is the one that surprises almost everyone the first time. 1. The fear is often worse than the actual appointment. For professionals, this is just another normal appointment in their day. What feels overwhelming for you is routine for them. That's why most of the anxiety happens before the appointment, not during it. 2. Preparation makes a big difference. Following the right instructions before your appointment improves your entire experience. Preparation doesn't just affect results, it also affects how comfortable you feel. 3. Everyone's experience is different. Skin type, hair type, and sensitivity are never the same for everyone. That's why comparing your experience to others usually leads to confusion. 4. The appointment is quicker than expected. Most people are surprised by how quickly it actually goes. In fact, the anxiety often lasts longer than the appointment itself. 5. Aftercare is just as important as the appointment. What you do afterward plays a big role in how your skin feels later. This is the part most people underestimate the first time. 6. Don't ignore the aftercare instructions. Many people focus only on the appointment and forget what they're told afterward. And that's where most small issues actually come from. 7. The second appointment is much easier. Once you know what to expect, the fear is completely gone, and most people feel fully relaxed by the second time. Conclusion. Most fear comes from not knowing what to expect. If you've had a wax before, comment what surprised you the most. Subscribe to MTH Health for more simple wellness education. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.